Make a prediction. What will happen after typing a number into the prompt? The program will print whatever number is typed. The bunny sprite will say whatever number is typed. The program will make that many new carrot sprites. Nothing will happen because count is not a number.
Sorry.